So in this Instagram tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change an Instagram story background color here on Instagram. So once you have Instagram open up on your device, go ahead and add a new story to your page. We're going to go to the bottom left here to the profile or to the home page, and then go to the top left where it says your story and press on your story. So if I wanted to use this option right here of this sort of blank screen. Now there's a couple ways you can do this. There's not really an exact way to do this super smoothly. So if you wanted to maybe just add a filter to change the color a little bit, you can just simply slide right or slide to the left. And you can now sort of change the color of your Instagram story background this way if you wanted to, but also another way you can do it. It's a little more tedious, but it'll also work in case you want to change this. So for example, if I wanted to make this background color orange, what you can do is you can go to the top right and press on the three dots and go to where it says draw. Now you can make the brush as large as it can go, and you can choose the color that you want. So if I wanted to make it orange, what you can do now is you can just start painting the background, or I guess drawing the background orange to the best of your ability. So you can kind of play around with it this way. It's a little bit more tedious, but if you wanted to make the whole entire background orange, you can do just that. So that is how to change an Instagram story background color here on Instagram. I hope this video helps.